Hey guys, we're back with a video for you today, just showing you how to use an Nespresso Barista Recipe Maker. Now it's a device that we get asked a lot about in the comments. You can see we've had ours for a good couple of years now. It's been very well used. It came with a recipe book, as you can see here. Plenty of recipes in there to have a look at. Again, you can see ours is frayed at the edges. It's been very well used. Ours also came with a spoon, we can see behind it there. I'm not sure if they still come with these because a few people mentioned in the comments that they might not include that anymore, but do let us know if you've bought one recently. Did yours come with a spoon? Did it come with a book? But what we're going to do today is just show you how to use the basic recipes, and we'll make a quick mocha with it. So here we have the mocha recipe. Now, very quickly, just to turn the device on, you can see it's a very self-explanatory on button. I mean, we've just done it by the plug there. It's woken itself up. If it's already plugged in and switched on, then you'll just have to press the button we can see there, the main on button. The recipe that it's showing up there is cafe au lait. So if we move through, you'll see there's several recipes. I added the cortado, and I'll tell you how to do that in a minute. There's cafe venoise, lots of recipes. It holds 13, but you can remove the ones you don't like and add ones that you want. So we'll make our way to the mocha now. If you want to add different ones, the way you do it is you connect the device, you pair it via Bluetooth to the Nespresso app, which is available through your app store of choice. You go to the My Machine section and then it will pick it up. As long as you've got Bluetooth turned on your phone, it should pick it up, and then you'll be able to add the device and pair it with your app. And from there, you'll be able to find different recipes and you'll be able to remove ones that are already on your machine and add other ones. But it does only store 13, so bear that in mind. Something of note is inside, if we just take the whisk out. So inside, the whisk is magnetic. So if we just pop that back in, you can hear it click. We'll get a better view of that. If you do that again. So as you can see, it locks into position. Worth noting that if you remove the actual jug, as we'll do now, then that magnetic function goes. So it's not magnetic anymore. So do bear in mind that once you take it off to pour after making your drink, that will drop out. So you'll either need to remove the whisk or keep your finger on it when you're pouring. Do be careful because it gets very, very hot. So the beauty of this machine is that you can add things like chocolate in there, ice cubes, and whiz it all up, and you know that it's not going to break the machine. So what we'll do now, we'll pop 100 ml of milk in, as it says on the recipe. It says we want 100 ml of cold semi-skim milk and 4 Nespresso chocolate squares. So we'll do that. The directions say, hopefully you can see that, to insert the 4 squares first. So Abby's doing that now. We're using dark chocolate today. So we've got 4 Nespresso squares have gone in. We're then going to add the 100 ml of milk into the top. And we'll then go and pour a shot of espresso, and we'll come back and add that. So we've got a shot of espresso, that's going to go in with the milk chocolates and the milk itself. And then it's just a case of popping the lid on. Now, when you pop this lid on, you want to make sure that you cover the lip with the lip on the lid as well. So there's a lip on the jug, if I just show you that. And then there's a lip on the lid, and you want those to match. And then we just hit go. Now, if you've put too much in by any chance and it maybe starts to overflow, you can hold the lid down to stop that. But it's probably best to just stick to the recipes that they give you. So just to let you know, if you hear any banging around, that's just the chocolates, nothing to worry about, it won't break the machine. Right, so after a good couple of minutes of mixing up there, it's now done, ready, and we'll just pour that out. We're doing it left-handed so we don't block it, block your view with the sleeve. And that's a nice mocha from the Barista Recipe Maker, ready to drink. And that's just basically how you use it. As I say, you can add different recipes from the Nespresso app. Do get that paired up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that helps us out a lot, and bye for now.